Can I make international calls to a landline number in the Philippines from my cell phone?
Hello, viewers. Today, we're tackling an important question. Can I make international calls to a landline number in the Philippines from my cell phone? The short answer is, yes, you can. But there's a little more to it than just dialing the number. So let's dive in and learn how to properly make that call.
Do you need an international calling plan?
The first thing you'll need to consider is your mobile phone plan. Many carriers require you to have an international calling plan to make international calls. Check with your service provider to see if international calling is included in your plan or if you need to sign up for an additional service. If not, you might face hefty charges.
Understanding the dialing format.
If you're ready to make the call, the next step is understanding the correct dialing format. To call a landline in the Philippines from the United States, for example, you would use the following format. First, dial 011, this is the US exit code. Next, dial 63, this is the country code for the Philippines. Then, you dial the 2 to 4-digit area code. For Manila, it would be 2. For other areas, you can look up the specific area code online. Finally, dial the 7 to 8-digit phone number. So, the final format should look like this: 01163 area code, phone number.
Using alternative methods.
If you frequently make international calls or want to save on call charges, consider using a voice over IP service like Skype or WhatsApp. Both these apps allow you to make free calls to international numbers, provided you have a stable internet connection. The recipient doesn't even need to have the app for landline calls. Now you know how to make an international call to a landline in the Philippines from your cell phone. Just remember to check with your service provider about the potential charges and understand the dialing format. And of course, you always have VoIP services as an alternative. We hope this guide has been helpful and will make your international calling process easier. Happy dialing!